By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I'd like to invite our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Osama Khan, to speak. Please everyone sit down.
Anerehetis diprwy ganglethor, annuel gaviarlion vonedigion a vonedigias ai, chroesol canesion bifasgol de Camry. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to our lovely graduation ceremony. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841. An institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of the vision set almost 200 years ago remains today. Mae'r prifysgol abid Besnes wedi gweithio ac an Guation Llaw and Llaw means the university and the business world have worked and are working hand in hand. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry, and the public sector, preparing people like yourself for work and future careers that we hope will allow individuals to reach the heights of their talent. And as I look at you all here today, you all looking beautiful in this lovely gown, so happy to have reached this point of celebration. And I don't see a crowd. I actually see each of you as individuals, distinctive people with your own character and a reason for being here today. Some of you will have joined us straight from school or college, others already in work and wanting to upskill. And there are those of you that have taken a brave step to move your lives from another country afar. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. In fact, recently, I met one of our graduates who haven't done 1 or 2 or 3, but 6 degrees from the University of South Wales. So just be careful. It might be very difficult for you to leave as well, this lovely university. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world, and that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs to change. We need people who can effect positive and real change. People who aren't satisfied with things as they stand. You will need to face the future with courage, to challenge and innovate, be inclusive, and work within your communities to create a society which is more equal without doing damage to the environment or the well-being of others. We are asking a lot from you. The world expects so much more from you as a graduate, and I know that seems like a big ask. That doesn't mean you are asking you to single-handedly change the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession. Be that in your hospital, in the forces, your school, your company, your immediate team. In fact, big changes usually happens when there are lots of small changes coming together. And you could be one of those small change working towards a brighter future. We have a proverb in Welsh which derives from the legend of Mabinogion, the story of Branwen. And it goes like this, and do excuse my Welsh, the new third language I'm trying to learn. Avo ben bid bond. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. listen to this carefully, whoever would be a leader, and I see each and individual of you to be a leader in future, let them be a bridge. You will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled with each other to reach heights not possible alone. I also know that many of you will have created memories and friendship that will last a lifetime. As I welcome you today to your community of graduates, I would like to remind you that in any good community, we draw on others for support, to challenge us when we aren't doing the right thing, to guide and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel like we belong. No matter how hard it gets, I really would urge you to do the right thing. No matter you are the only person, still do the right thing. I like to think that the University of South Wales, underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive, and collaborative, that our intention as a community are good. To help you change your life and our world for a better world. And we hope that we have given you the knowledge, skills, and resilience to do just that. Life is not straightforward, by the way, and we all have bumps in the road. So, as well as having the talent and the passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourself a break. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath. Draw on your intellect. Then reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life. If you could reach here today wearing this lovely gown, walking this stage, anything is possible. So just remember that. And today is an important moment in your life. Today we celebrate your achievements. During your time at USW, you have been part of a faculty that has demonstrated the impact that USW can have. As our students, you have helped shape the future of your own campuses, bringing your creativity and interior of the new Calon building and gaining valuable experience of professional practice. Our students have supported access to justice through the Legal Advice Clinic, which continues to make a difference to local communities after 13 years of service. Our students, some of you, have given advice to part of community who can afford a lawyer, but they can be guided. Our students provide free advice to hundreds of clients and contributing to projects supporting people facing homelessness or representing themselves at tribunal. In Cardiff, our creative students have brought people together to the Immerse Festival. In fact, I think that's one of the coolest ones, and I'm going to sign up next year. Delivering a sellout cultural event with industry partner, a strong commitment to sustainability, and a national recognition for innovation and community impact. These achievements speak powerfully of what you have been part of here. A university that asks you not only to learn, but use that learning to change lives, places, and communities for the better. So your job for today is to feel very proud of yourself, to look fabulous, take lots of photos, maybe even shed a tear or two. And the weather is brilliant. There is a red dragon outside. Take as many photos as you want for your Insta or TikTok. To help in that, I also have an ask of everyone sitting behind our graduates. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend walk across this stage, they are in no doubt of how proud you have been of their achievement. You can do that in any way you wish, by clapping loudly, by shouting their name, by whistling or whooping. All of that is legitimate. In fact, I would say all of that is necessary. But before we celebrate you, I want to pause and recognize something very important. No one reaches a day like this entirely by their own. Behind every graduate here today, there will be people who have helped make this moment possible. For many of you, that support will have come from families and friends who have stood beside you through the highs and the difficult days. They may have supported you financially, morally, spiritually, or simply by believing in you when you needed it most. They have made sacrifices, offered encouragement, listened with patience, and reminded you why this journey mattered. So today is also their day. It is a day for those who have traveled alongside you proudly as well as lovingly, and who share in the joy of seeing you reach this stage, not just this stage, but the stage in your life as well. I also want to recognize the people of the University of South Wales, my lovely colleagues, who have supported your journey here on the stage and across the entire 3 campuses. Our academic colleagues bring innovative, industry-relevant, and career-focused teaching into your courses, helping you to connect knowledge with patience and ambition with opportunity. And alongside them, all our professional services colleagues whose work is sometimes less visible but absolutely essential. They support students, care for our campuses, keep our services running, and help create a student experience that allows learning, belonging, and success to happen. To all of those colleagues, academics, and professional services alike, thank you for the part you played in helping our graduates reach this proud moment. In fact, a moment like this brings value to all of us. That's why we do what we do day in, day out. So graduates, I'm now going to ask you to do something special. Please look around this room, and I want you to show really good appreciation to your family, friend, teachers. But before you do that, may I please request you to stand, the graduates. Let the world know that you came to this event with pride and appreciated your friend, family, and teachers and everybody in the university for their contribution to your graduation. Give a rousing round of applause. You can do better. That's more like it. Thank you very much. Be seated. And so, in closing, as you walk across this stage here today, collect your award and doff your hat to our Pro-Chancellor, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind: pride. Pride with humility, but definitely pride. In Welsh, Balgdar. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential for great things. Be proud of yourself and who you are, not what others think of you, what you need to be. You will always be part of this lovely University of South Wales family. We are and always will be very proud of each and every one of you. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Graddio iddo fod I yn hysbys I efoloi prifysgol ac I baiwb sydd yma'n broffesiynol a cymhelir genywhad o'i Brifysgol di Cymru, ein minas gesniad ar ei bedrowad ardeg o Gorffennaf 2026. Hadio ein ryddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi dro I ddysgas roedd ei hymdrech ysgol hogiad ei bod I ynnal iawn gamwys ei gael ei darban ar gryfar gradau ei gymwystorau brifysgol drwy ei brod a fi ei garhedioad godoeg iar reini sydd yma'n bresnol gynabod ei hayam aroniad ei datal clidian Bitsodon Ayin Go Bethian An Discoyo Yad I Andodont Gyam Obetheo A Bedant Anroy Talent I Disk Gerbon A Profession An Kami Nadai Hedurun I Bedant An Kavrani at Davdol en Kamdethias Gedak Andred Ed Aklod.
Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 14th day of July 2026. Today, we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualification of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their profession and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries candidates that are on their way. Okay, we'll start again. Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Master of Science in Engineering Management. Samson Adeniken. Abdullah Al-Makul. Mohammed Pathon. Mohammed? It appears we have some naughty students that have stepped out of their seats. Inimfom Ekpenyong. Anthony Elua. Aniruddha Goswami. Mohammed Habib. Mehdi Hassan. Raihan Hassan. Mahadi Hassan. Mehdi Hassan. Akik Hossain. Azra Hussain. Agesh Loyola. Matthew Ignebenozi. Nagibul Islam. Saiful Islam. Tangible Islam. Jana Alam Joni. Ishtiakal Kher. Riaz Khan. Ben Koskei. Sultan Mahmud. Shifun Mafida. Golam Moshed. Patrick Onyeki. Sanjadal Pias. Ryazul Rafi. Wakaz Rafiq. Ashika Rahman. Abu Koza Rakin. Usama Rizwan. Wahab Salami. Hasib Sakib. Fazana Akhtar Shankita. Ayula Shitu. Obayidullah Tanmoy. Tariqul Islam Tanvir. Afaz Udin. Basil Varghese. The Master of Science in Finance and Investment, Adifalarin Adesida. Tanvir Chowdhury. Omkar Devlikar. Ali Falyadras. Ashit Gupta. Vivian Imasua. Bawana Latwell. Daniel Mbonu. Mercy Nmuni. Anthony Osuagu. Tolulopo Sani. Karen Sogomo. Imtaz Udin. The Master of Science in Forensic Auditing and Accounting, Mercy Kwendo. Titilayo Kupula. Ali Raza. Erim Shazadi. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Rayhan Ahmed. Collins Amakagi. Timuth Arakige. Natalia Champnoisy. Ebin Zachariah. Kozi Kidu. Plabon Daz. Sandra Ediale. Sayuj Jose. Lawson Kawamala. Nauman Khan. Lamia Kilanadin. Augustine Umbora. Raja Mahmood. Meraj Nejadbrahim. Kiduze Ochuba. Emmanuel Oredeji. Atul Pidikayel Saji. Gautam Srikumar Nair. Anthony Stanley. Pratik Sual. Matthew Thomas. The Master of Science in Management, Priyanka. Pooja Maria. Harshad Abubakar. Mujib Adwali. Susan Agitotan. Comfort Ajimuda. Abisoya Akinkwade. Abiyadan Akinola. Oluwanufemi Akinola. Asma Akhtar. Samia Akhtar. Farial Ali. Abby Anthony. Joseph Arinciola. Afroza Aslan. Jennifer Augustine. Fabian Ayanfe. Jeremiah Ayalabola. Saad Azad. Emmanuel Azu. Jagan Babu. Abiatan Bakare. Deborah Busari. Abhijit Radhakrishnan. Michael Dada. Rachel Daramola. Faith Dugu. Mohammed Tayab Ejaz. Maruabuki Ejizmozo. Philip Ekimanye. Faith Etubu. Maria Ezenwoke. Jane Ezeulo. Michael Funmilayo. Azizul Hakwe. Aliamin Ibrahim. Oladakwe Ibrahim. Oladapo Ibrahim. Nope. Keleki? Keleki? Yeah. Keleki Queen Ihezi. Mary Magdalene Ekele. Fasansi Ayo Ishola. Mohammed Saiful Islam. Safiatu Mohammed Issa. Blessings Iegbunwe. Shaub Jamil. Iapin James. Amu Jayaprakash. Steve Johnson. Kiran Joshi. Fania Kalapmarabil Toby. Nitish Kutkira Dasan. Ismaila Lasisi. Samin Akhtar Lima. Andy Maduaguna. Arshad Sharif. Pratipan Manimaran. Vito Matthew Bino. Mohammed Hemal Mia. Mariam Michael. Mohammed Asif Muzumda. Teslim Oyebode. Sandra Ngwube. Samuel Nokwenkwo. Matthew Nze. Michael Ode. Joseph Ogbe. Abraham Ogubi. Ismail Ojo. Lillian Okonma. Blessing Oluwafemi. Isaac Osifo. Richard Owezi. Mohammed Ajmal Palimalil. Mohammed Mazil Patare. Jerome Jose Pudakadan. Amal Krishna Rajesh. Shoaib Raza. Aisha Saluadin. Amos Sanjeev. Selina Shelley. Asan Siddiq. Joshua Sueton. Aziz Sunmonu. Takrim Tabil. Jafar Tanvin. Tony Tampi. Kimari Uba. Anushant Udaya Kumar. Christopher Oduonu. Joseph Ugoji. Amos Ugu. Mohammed Umar. Rishal Kandatil. Sharifuddin Yaqub. The Master of Science in Professional Accounting with Association of Chartered Certified Accountants tuition, Ivy Roberts. Pro-Chancellor, the next award is given posthumously. Would the congregation please stand? Posthumous awards are a very special recognition of achievement, just as all other graduates have received today, but also a very special act of remembrance for family and friends. Today, Shepo's mother, Lindiwe, siblings, Sisanda and Seltiel, together with Uncle Dingaan and members of the wider family and community, are joining us on YouTube to witness this moment. We know how proud they are of all he achieved, studying abroad, the first of his family to do so. We share that pride, recognizing accomplishments reflected not only in ability, but also in the kindness, determination, and strength of character that defined him. So, I ask that when I present this award, all graduates, colleagues, guests, family and friends absolutely take the roof off this place to recognize the achievements that we are celebrating today. The Master of Arts in Design Innovation, Shepo Jeffrey Jr. Sindane. Would the congregation please sit? Thank you very much.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cyddorol gan gyfynwyr o Goleg Brynheilog, Cyrth a Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. While our performers take a brief moment to set up, please enjoy this short film celebrating the university's impact over the past year.
The Master of Science in Project Management, Saeed Abbas. Adedeton Adiegbo. Mohammed Adil. Samuel Aderibigbe. Mohammed Arslan. Samuel Ayoide. Daniel Balogun. Samuel Biam. Stella Chepkirker. Richard Kinedu. Betty Adigbwe. Mohammed Rauf Fazil. Gobinder Ghosh. Mohammed Harris. Felix Kemboi. Asim Kadim. Uninyasha Mariav Kasva. Philip Marcus. Phronesis Michael Agiran. Rashid Khan Milon. Sunaya Naeem. Sylvester Nwanonyenyi. Samuel Odole. Nancy Okeke. Faith Haluabaju. Noman Rashid. Latif Salami. Mohammed Umair Shafiq. Mohammed Lukman Sharif. Mohammed Shmail. Zahir Sayed. Nafisat Tiamiu. Prince Eric Udensi. Yasser Umar. The Master of Science in Strategic and Digital Marketing, Deshan Jayakumar. Pranav Patil. The Bachelor of Arts in Accounting and Finance, Asma Al-Hamoud. Macaulay Aston. Amber Cook. Abigail Cooper. Lily Davies. Samuel Davies. Sahar Yaqub. Amy Hamer. Nika Holly. Megan Jones. Anita Kanagalingan. Ali Zain Khan. Yana Kovalenko. Dylan Lloyd. Aswin Nayangara Kinnan Jensen. Elliot O'Connor. Thomas Parry. Mayasa Saeed. Benjamin Snow. Lowry Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising, Merv Ergel. Tina Hiertus. Chin Neo. Emma Tran. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Thomas Edwards. Yohan Evans. Max Kingston. Sven Marnott. Irina Nikolaeva. The Bachelor of Arts in Costume Construction, Kolokomoid Nangaru, Grace Barth. Thomas Brewster. Emma Cox. Lee Danziger. Michelle Harding. The Bachelor of Arts in Documentary Photography, Grace Barrett. Yohan Barrett. Eleanor Carrick. Scarlett Perkins. Ocean Simoneta. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Business and Marketing, Lihini Dona. Eden Aylett. Frederick Bartlett. Molly Brown. Alexandra Chard. Gabriel Davies. Nancy Frost. Sophie Harrison. Taylor Lee Jennings. Rosie Johnson. Jasmine Mason. Elliot Moss. Selena Satar. Emily Thomas. Molly Welling. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Design, Shannon Ashworth. Annabelle Christie Nagel. Axel Constantinou. Evie French. Philippa Goulson. Hannah Hayward. Megan Hollyfield. Siobhan Ip. Madison Kilvington Ring. Sweta Sasikumar. Truly Smith. Lauren Taylor. James Thomas. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Management and Communication, the European College of Business Management, Dusseldorf, Carolyn Knopp. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Promotion, Finn Brooker. Hannah Davies. Trinity Edwards. Olivia Frost. Casey Hewitt. Dale Rees. The Bachelor of Arts in Photography, Shyla Bartlett. Catherine Flanagan. Cicely Jackson. Chelsea Lee Jenkins. Chloe Matchett. Neve Owen. Sophia Payne-Johns. Kira Saul. Kian Swainston. The Bachelor of Science in Logistics, Procurement and Supply Chain Management, Sunny Ahmed. Maram Al-Riyami. Abdallah Al-Makmari. Mario Amona. John Callison. Anna Foundley. Emily Griffiths. Franklin Larry Osugu. Mamanor Rashid. The Bachelor of Science in Marketing Management, Mohammed Jawad Akhser. Yasmin Akhter. Chelsea Conroy. Irudini Gamage. Afrin Khan. Shafil Kondoti Paramban. Daniel Kun. Lansage Nevin Medis. We've got to do another 10 now. Rachel Monk. Sebin Pulamutil Stephen. Eloise Richards. Seren Roberts. Rebecca Thomas. Lily Thompson. Cole Vyas. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Photography, Colega Camoy Nangaru, Ash Jones. Casey Mainston Davies. The Award of Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, Amir Arif. Kieran Harris. Amelin Hilmi. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Badon. The Master of Science in Project Management, Mohammed Madin. Augustine Olimoyewa Oyelani. Elvis Owusu. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Tohib Babarunde Balagun. The Master of Science in Project Management, Shazad Huzaifa. The Master of Science in Project Management, Wasik Mustafa Khan. Mohammed Zahid Iqbal. The Master of Science in Management, Fukinayo Michael Kufoji. The Master of Science in Management, Ali Amin Oluwasen Ibrahim. The Master of Science in Project Management, Gerald Onyeka Ibegabunan. Stephen Fabode. The Master of Science in Management, Mohammed Ali. Abdullah Mazar. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Portia Nsoa. Awais Mohammed. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Usama Zafar. Wakas Iqbal Guman. The Master of Science in Management, Stephen Vincent Amesiatu. The Master of Science in Project Management, Mohammed Shahir Ali. The Master of Science in Forensic Audit and Accounting, Teresa Abizimona. The Master of Science in Project Management, Abitela Michael Alafuka. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Nadia Khan. The Master of Science in Project Management, Adiwale Joseph Adiemi. Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Mohammed Mosaddiq Ali Rahat. Bachelor of Science in Marketing Management, Shajid Aman. Master of Science in Management, Khalil Rahman. Jennifer Odion Erimuemi Okoto. Tejas Kunjanathan Shaju. The Master of Science in Finance and Investment, Vishnav Ani Kumar. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Mohammed Azim. The Master of Science in Management, Atsiponu Anirajisita Solomon. The Bachelor of Science in Logistics, Procurement and Supply Chain Management, Ebun Omolola Hamid. Bayan Issa Saif Al-Mendai. Oh, sorry. The Master of Science in Management, Jawad Ahmad. The Master of Science in Project Management, Saba Amir Khan. Sana Hayak. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Kimariza Ebenezer Anna. The Master of Science in Project Management, Elita Sunmisola Okmayan. Niendro Lamo. Tashi Lamo User. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Usama Ijaz. Shaub Ahmed. The Master of Science in Project Management, Shahab Ahmad. Hilary Chiboi. The Master of Science in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Syed Mohammed Ahmad Hassan. The Master of Science in Management, Afroja Rahman Prova. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, our graduates. Pranawdau Pau. Graduation is more than a formal academic ceremony. It's a celebration of perseverance, of growth, and the promise of what comes next. Today marks a significant milestone in your life, and it is a moment of immense pride for all of us gathered here. To the parents, partners, families, and friends in the audience, this is your day too. You've offered encouragement during late-night study sessions, reassurance during moments of doubt, and unwavering support throughout this journey. Your role in today's success cannot be overstated. So everyone, please join me in giving them a heartfelt round of applause. For us, as your academic community, this is the high point of the university year, when we see the fruits of dedication, resilience, and hard work. So I would like to pay tribute to the over 2,500 members of staff at this remarkable university. They have taught, mentored, supported, fed, counselled, and occasionally nudged our students along the way. The commitment to student success is at the heart of everything we do. Let us take a moment to thank them for their tireless efforts. But today, above all, it's about you, our new graduates. You have achieved something extraordinary. You've not only mastered your subjects, but you've also developed the ability to think critically, challenge assumptions, and engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. And these are timeless skills essential in every walk of life. We are proud that the education you've received here is highly valued by employers. But more than that, we are proud of the way it transforms lives, your lives, and the communities you will go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful, engaged citizens. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, we hope you carry with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. As alumni, you are now ambassadors for this incredible university and for the ideals we stand for. Wherever your journey takes you, we hope you'll stay connected, continue to grow, and inspire others as you've inspired us. So congratulations to each and every one of you. Our warmest wishes go with you for your continued success and happiness. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Please may I invite all of you who are able to stand for the national anthem.